Hello, everyone, and welcome to break 8661 for the 2022 Topps Archives Signature Series Retired Autograph Baseball Player Card Box. I want to thank everyone for getting on the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, June 19th, 2023. It's 10:49 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:49 p.m. Central Time. It is 8:49 p.m. Mountain Time and 7:49 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Macwell with 2 teams, Angron 1, CHS 1, Nutty 1, Rob with 3, Triple B Sack 1, Macwell 4, Hugh 1, Honey Badger 1, Air RMA, Kai RMA 1 each, Angron 11 with 11 teams. So let's randomize 7 times to determine those teams for the break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Angron is on top, Macwell's on the bottom. Angron with the Diamondbacks, Macwell Braves, Angron Orioles, Triple B Sack Red Sox, RMA Cubs, CH West White Sox, Angron Reds Guardians, Macwell Rockies, Honey Badger with the Tigers, Rod with the Astros, Angron Royals, Kai with the Angels, Nutty Dodgers, Macwell with the Marlins, Angron Brewers Twins, Mets and Yankees, Hugh Athletics, Rod with the Phillies, Angron Pirates, RMA Padres, Air Giants, Macwell Mariners, Angron Cardinals, Rod Rays, Angron Rangers. Macwell, last but not least, has the Blue Jays and Washington Nationals. All sealed up. And then whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And we have a Sean Green, Los Angeles Dodgers 1 out of 14. Very cool. Dodgers going to Nutty Hero. Congrats on break 8661 for the 2022 Topps Archives Signature Series Retired Autograph Baseball Player Card Box. I want to thank everyone for getting on the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p-sportscards. Hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot in bonus 183. Thanks.